Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Last night it rained for about an hour on our unfinished flat roof. You can hear Cindy up there yelling at Izzy, and also vacuuming up the water with a floor cleaner. Hi puppy, did you get yelled at? She's vacuuming up as much water as she can for like the first 4 feet on the low end. Then I'm going to set up some fans to dry it off. It wouldn't be such a big deal, but this scupper right here is nailed in place without having rubber flashing on it. So water got underneath the metal, and now I got to get that dried off. So I'm going to put heat on this, heat and a fan, try to dry that off. The other two I just need to dry off, and then, oh, looks like she's done. And then I'll get these two in and get them completely finished with the rubber flashing, and then do the rubber flashing on this one last. I believe I can get this one dry. I can blow compressed air underneath the edges of it too to get it dry. And I have till about 2 o'clock because it starts raining at 2, and then we have thunderstorms this evening. So it's going to be kind of a hectic day. The roof worked fantastically. No water in here. The only reason there's water here is because there's only plastic on the inside on this side. So it just, rain came against it, went down, dripped underneath it. So the roof is tight. I just got to get these scuppers in, and then I have a couple other details to do, and the roof is completely done for the winter. Let me see if I can find those. I was looking for the scupper nails, but I don't see them. They should be over here somewhere. Oh well. Whatever. Alright, I'm going to go over and drill the holes in the other scuppers while I'm waiting, and then come back, and she'll probably be done by then, and I'll put the fans on it and get going. I have both of the scuppers marked for the nail locations. Now I got to take my center punch, give them a light tap, give each one a light tap, and then drill them out. This bit is just a bit smaller than the nail diameter, and that'll give it a little bit more gripping power on aluminum or copper. So I'm going to get these drilled, then sand the burr off the back side, go over, get these tapped into place. The 2 holes where these go should be dry or dry enough, doesn't really matter. As long as the rubber on the roof where the edges of this goes, as long as that's dry, I can put them in. The area where it goes through the parapet, if it's wet in there, doesn't really matter. That'll dry off on its own. So let's get these holes drilled and get these over there. Okay, my scuppers are done. Right now I have a fan up on the roof. I have the door blocked off on this side so a breeze can't come in there. And I have the torpedo heater blowing up underneath where that scupper, the first scupper is, to warm the area up and dry it off, hopefully. I'm going to bring the air hose up there and blow underneath it. There's tiny little gaps around the edges. I'm going to get it as dry as possible while I install these two. Okay, I don't have much time, so let's get moving. Well, funny thing happened on the way over here. I just shut this heater off. Like I said, I had it blasting on the area where this scupper is, but to no avail. It's raining out. It's not raining much. There's just a few drops, but I checked the radar and there is rain on its way, and there's enough so that I can't do it. Unbelievable. So it's going to rain tonight and tomorrow as well, I believe. So I'm going to have to go through all of this again, well, except for drilling the scuppers. And it's getting cool out, so I just don't know. I think I'm gonna cut the sills today. I'll probably just cut the sills for this side and see if I can get those installed, and then call it a day, because I have to do work on the day job. I'm getting behind on that, so I'll get caught up on that. What a wasted day. Yeah, you can hear I got two fans up there blowing. I came across the street, went up the ladder. I could feel a drop or two on the way over. Went up there and there was drops all over the whole roof. So just really, really sucks. Alright, so if you want to see more of this ongoing catastrophe, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon so you're notified when I post the videos. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. And if you give the video a like and or share it, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.